budgeting, and money management are essential skills that everyone needs to grasp for maintaining a stable and healthy financial life amidst today's rapidly changing lifestyles. This article discusses the importance and methodologies of budgeting and financial management in the following comprehensive manner. Introduction. What is financial management and budgeting? Financial management involves the strategic planning and control of how we spend, save, and invest our money to achieve our financial goals. It aims to provide guidance for a secure and stable financial future. Why is budgeting necessary? A budget is a systematic financial plan that details our income and expenditures. It helps us understand where our money is going and enables us to manage our financial situation effectively. How to create a budget? Creating a budget involves analyzing income sources and setting expenditure limits. It serves as a tool to track financial activities and ensure financial discipline. Benefits of financial management. Financial management allows us to allocate resources effectively, make informed financial decisions, and achieve long-term financial security and stability. Importance and significance of budgeting. Understanding. Budgeting. A budget is a structured financial blueprint that outlines income, expenses, and savings goals over a specified period. It provides clarity on financial health and aids in making adjustments for financial stability. Key principles of financial management. Budget creation and adherence. Establishing a budget and adhering to it helps control discretionary spending and ensures financial accountability. Debt management. Effectively managing debt involves understanding borrowing options, repayment plans, and interest rates to minimize financial burden. Investment strategies. Diversifying investments based on risk tolerance and financial objectives enhances financial growth and security. Savings habits. Developing consistent saving habits builds emergency funds and contributes to achieving financial milestones. Advantages of budgeting financial independence. Budgeting empowers individuals to live within their means, ensuring financial stability and reducing financial stress. Family and asset security. By adhering to a budget, individuals safeguard their family's financial well-being and protect their assets. Goal achievement. Budgeting enables individuals to set and achieve financial goals, whether saving for education, retirement, or other life milestones. Conclusion. In conclusion, budgeting and financial management are indispensable for navigating the complexities of modern financial landscapes. Adopting effective budgeting practices enhances financial discipline, promotes financial security, and paves the way for a more balanced and prosperous life. By embracing sound financial management and budgeting practices, individuals can achieve financial independence and confidently face future financial challenges.